Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today we are doing Basic Man versus the Gentleman's Box. This is one I usually do. I can zoom through this really fast. It won't take too long. Oh! My dragon just fell on the floor. Anyway, let's get into this. There are two here. This packaging is a little bit different. I'm not sure why it's different, but I won't open both. I'll just open one because they're usually the same. Basic Man is $20 a month, and you get the basic essentials. You get a t-shirt, pair of underwear, and socks. And then the Gentleman's Box is more for the savvy man, and that is $30 a month, and you get a variety of things, but generally speaking, you'll get like a tie or a tie clip and sunglasses and blah, 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 blah. So let's get into it. We'll do Basic Man first. Ooh. So that is a maroon and white polka dot. And then it looks like we've got some green undies. Some green undies, and they always have the destroyed by date on the inside. And then we also have the t-shirt, which is more of a salmon color, it looks like to me, or maybe like a rusty orange. I don't know, but it also has the destroyed by date. I think they match okay. Usually they match a little bit better than that, but I mean, it's not too bad. Okay, cool. So the Gentleman's Box, it comes in a tri-fold scenario here. You do get a little pamphlet that tells you everything that's in here and how much it is worth. The theme for this box is Hollywood Environmentalist. Says it right there. I don't know what kind of theme that is, but I guess we'll figure it out. So I don't know what this is. Okay, I'm not going to show this because it's partial nudity and I do not want to get in trouble, but I will do this. And it is, oh, excuse me. It is 510, I guess, is the branding, and it's men's underwear, and there is a 25% code off if you guys are interested. I know it's a little late to buy anything for anybody for Christmas, but hey, whatever. The next, oh wait. So the first thing I am pulling out is a green and silver sort of a tie, and that retails for $29, and the brand is Tom's Stylist. The next thing I am pulling out are socks that are also like a blue, silver, and green. So that's really cool. I like that pattern. Okay, and those retail for $15. Got a green and silver pocket square that retails for $19. I don't know if the coloring is actually coming across because my lighting is going down. Oh, we have a lapel pin that retails for $19, and it's just a little black rose. That's kind of cute. I don't think we've gotten anything like that. And let's see. We also have a tie bar, which is like a tie clip, and it retails for $25. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. And it looks wooden. I don't know if you guys can tell or see that, but that's kind of cool. Okay, you guys. So that was everything in Basic Man and the Gentleman's Box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I know John's going to enjoy this stuff. So have a great day. Bye.